Hi Joey, this is Michaela. I am so sorry for that confusion. I do in fact see that you do not do any carpet cleaning. So as requested, I'm just going to go over a few of the janitorial and home cleaning services of the competition in your area, kind of discuss where you stand in regards to where they're ranking currently, and then show you how to capitalize on that and beat your competition, okay? So to start, a lot of my information might be a little bit repetitive from my last video, because I do still recommend that you get good quality content on your homepage as well as throughout your website. Again, if you remember from my last video, Google loves content, and the more content you have, this is the biggest factor for organic movement of your website. So wherever you are currently on the Google platform, content is going to move you the most. So having good content is key. So I definitely recommend about 1,500 words of content on your homepage, as well as separate every service that you offer into its own page with about 750 to 1,000 words of content. And then we can do what we call keyword stuff, or put appropriate keywords that are searched for in your area within those pages, so that when someone does a search, those pages will come up as search options and get you more exposure and in front of more clients, okay? So I want to show you why content is so important, and I want to show you how your competition doesn't have it. So this here is A Plus Cleaning, and they're a commercial cleaning service. So I'm going to show you both commercial as well as just home cleaning services. And they're currently ranking at the top of the Google Maps. And I wanted to show you that they don't have hardly any content on their site, right? So I show you that to show you how easy it is to outrank them with content alone, because again, content is the most important for organic movement. So having more content than your competition will naturally outrank you in that respect. I also want to take your attention to, this is Super Clean, Super Cleaning Services in Louisville. They're a house cleaning services, and you can see that they don't have a ton of content either. So they're probably ranking primarily for keywords, which I will go over their breakdown as well with you here shortly. So let me take you once more to your breakdown. I'm sorry, that's not you. This is you. And show you like your numbers and how you're not ranking for any keywords, right? So because we don't have content on our site, customers cannot find us when they do Google searches. So anytime someone types in carpet cleaning Louisville, you're not showing up, right? So we need to get that phrase, that keyword put into the content on your web page, so that when that search occurs in your area, Google finds it on your page and throws your page up in front of customers. So that's kind of how that works. So keywords are important for ranking. Take you over here to A Plus just to show you their breakdown. They are in the top 3 on the Google My Business or the Google Map. And I want you to see how little traffic they actually are getting for being that way, or for being in that position. And that's primarily because of the unstableness of their position on Google. So they're not getting a ton of exposure when people do Google searches, because they don't have enough influence or traffic coming from other websites pointing back to them. If you remember when I talked about backlinks and referring domains, getting good quality referring domains is going to cause this number to go up. And you can see that out of the 36 domains and the 282 backlinks, they're actually not getting any influence pointing back to them. So they're actually really not great backlinks. So knowing that, I show you how easy it is to outrank your competition. And again, the citations, we can always look at how many citations your competition has and beat them in the number of citations, getting you in your face exposure, getting visibility on multiple search platforms. That way people see you more, which is what every small business owner wants, right? So take you over to one more. This is Super Clean. Again, and you can see that they're actually getting quite a bit of traffic. However, what we can do, if you look at their keywords, These top three right here, cleaning services Louisville, Kentucky, Louisville cleaning service, and house cleaning Louisville, Kentucky. All three of these are going to be great keywords for you to rank for, and you can see that they get 500 search volume every month. So getting those keywords put into your content on your webpage is going to allow you to be seen by 500 people. Obviously, we would rank you for a lot more, but we can look at how your competition is ranking and mimic a lot of what they're doing so that you are direct competition with them, but as well as doing all the things that we know to do, getting good quality backlinks, getting a lot of citations, and getting good keywords is going to bump your traffic up tremendously, and you're not going to see this kind of dip and inconsistency in your position. You're going to see a lot more linear stability. Okay, so I show you all this to say that beating your competition and being seen as a top business in your area is totally doable and within reach. Just a few things that you have to do and you'll maintain a top spot, no problem. Well, Joey, that's all I have for you. If it's not too much trouble, send me an email again. I'd really like to know your thoughts about this video, if you found it informative or good information in regards to comparing you to some of your competition. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I can't wait to hear what you thought, and I will be in touch soon. But for now, have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.